and today we will be seeing one of the problem from Geeks4Geeks. It says stock buy and sell, maximum one transaction allowed. The problem goes like, given an array prices of non-negative integer representing the prices of a stock on a different days. The task is to find the maximum profit possibly by buying and selling the stock on different days when at most one transaction is allowed. Here, one transaction means one buy plus one sell. If it is not possible to make a profit, then return 0. Note, stock must be bought before being sold, so no short selling. Well, within the examples we have prices of each day and the output is 8. How come 8? Because once you buy at 1, which is day 2, index wise day 2, day 0 is 7, and when you sold it at 9, the profit you made is 8. Similarly, for this array there is no profit since it's a declining share and you have 0. So the problem is pretty simple. The idea behind this problem is to have buy the stock in minimum value and sell in the maximum. So selling is subjective, so any sell can be a maximum, but buy needs to be a minimum. Any sell can be a maximum means what? Like, I do not know the value what tomorrow can happen, so I can assume that hey, if I sold at this point, then I can get a current profit or profit, and based on bunch of profits I can consider a maximum profit from this, and that is what we are asked to find it out, maximum profit. So I'll consider maximum profit, which initially is 0, and that's we are going to return max profit, and for this we are going ahead to consider buying within the minimum value. Right now I don't have any values, so I'll say minimum buy is equal to prices of day 0, and here on if I'm considering day 0, I would consider subsequent days from 1. So day is equal to 1, day is less than prices dot length day plus plus. So likewise I'm iterating through each day, checking that hey, if prices at this day, if it is lesser, so if it is lesser than minimum buy price, then hey, minimum buy price needs to be updated with prices of this day, and I can say that hey, maximum profit can be equal to mat.max of either I have made a profit earlier, maximum profit, comma, considering this day to buy. So prices of day, so sorry, considering this day as selling price, if I'm selling at this day, what would be my profit? So min buy this day's price minus my buying price, that is what profit is. So this is about it, and let's continue with solving this one. Let's compile this one. So yeah, the code is compiled successfully with sample test cases as valid, with valid sample test cases, trying to submit it, and yeah, it got submitted. So this was a problem, pretty simple problem from the topics of array, I believe, and this has been a very favorite problem for most of the companies as well. The expected time complexity was O of n, which we respected, and the space complexity we didn't use any. The topic tag is obviously greedy and arrays. So that's all about it. So if you wanted to see more array or string or in case tree related content, content, click the video on your right, and I will see you in the next one.